You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is I, E-Man. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today for you guys, we're going to be diving into the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 mini. Today I'm going to be telling you guys the best features. Well, not really the best features. I mean, there are really good features that you can get, but I'm going to be giving you guys the features that you should be expecting on the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 mini camera. So without further ado, let's jump straight in and give you guys the information you want to hear. So first on the list, first feature is the Smart HD 4. Basically what it does, it recognizes up to 4 people in the scene and basically optimizes the contrast, lighting, and even the skin tone for each and every one of you. Basically improves the quality of the picture or the scene and basically makes everyone looks very good and look the best and even look beautiful. So the second feature you should be expecting on the cameras is something called Photographic Style. So essentially what Photographic Style is an adjustable filter that can do things like boost or mute colors according to the skin tones. Styles affect specifically on images, unlike a filter that actually applies to the entire image. Photographic styles include vibrant, rich colors, warmth, or even cool tones. And warmth are customizable for each style, so you can get the exact look that you want on your picture. So the third on the list is night mode. Obviously night mode is a big thing. It's kind of like a new technology that's kind of come out for devices out right now. So it basically lets you take pictures at night, and instead of the picture looking dark, it kind of brings in more light in and kind of helps the picture look a lot more better. So essentially it takes over a few seconds to actually take the picture, and it takes a lot of pictures at once. So it brings all of those pictures together to basically enable you to take extreme pictures in low light situations. So the fourth feature is the deep fusion. So if you guys don't know what deep fusion does, it actually works in mid to low lighting conditions and essentially brightens up the texture and details in the imagery. Now moving on is the portrait mode. So the portrait mode pretty much just keeps the subject in the photo in focus while blurring the whole background. Literally, so you have this nice portrait picture of yourself or someone else in front of the camera, literally just all focus, which is very nice. Next on the list is portrait lighting as well. So coming from the portrait mode, we go into the portrait lighting. So this actually changes the light of the portrait mode photos, which affects that with effects that actually include natural, studio, continuous stage mono, and high key mono as well. So literally lightens up the whole situation and makes the picture looks absolutely beautiful. The next is the True Tone Flash. So it's essentially what the True Tone Flash does is a built-in flash, and it's designed to match the ambient lighting around you, and it doesn't throw off the white balance and of the photo when you're using the flash. So the flash literally goes with the whole ambient lighting of the room that you're taking a picture in, and matches the flash matches to the color of the ambient lighting that you're in, so it doesn't mess up the white balance, because white balance is a very big thing when it comes to obviously taking pictures or videos or anything like that. You want to make sure all the whites are the same color, so it's nice and easy when you go to edit the pictures or even edit the video. And now next on my list is the Pararama mode on the device, which actually essentially helps you capture a panoramic shot up to 63 megapixels. So instead of it's kind of like that. It's kind of like a wide angle lens, but you move the camera from left to right of the whole area, so it kind of gets a 360-degree kind of image on your phone, which looks nice. It's not for everyone, but it's for everyone. It doesn't really matter, but it's just to show off your whole surrounding instead of taking multiple pictures of certain frames, if that makes sense. And then last on my list is the burst mode. So this essentially allows a series of images to be captured all at once with a good high action shot. So it's pretty much it's mainly for sports, basically. When you have you have to take a picture of something that's moving very, very quickly, you can take a burst of photos and it captures a lot of pictures all at once. And it combines them all together, and basically you can pick whichever scene or whichever shot you want from that picture, which means that you're able to capture a whole lot of action, if that makes sense. But yeah, guys, that's just a few of all the camera features on the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 mini. Well, I mean, that is all of it anyways, as long as I can remember. And yeah. Anyway, guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe as well, share the video. Also, comment down below and tell me if there's any other features that I'm missing out, or if any of these features you've actually come across it and actually used it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.